Oh yeah, I can talk, never mind. We're gonna be playing some hypickle. We're gonna play some skywars, that's all I'm good at. I mean, I can play Bed Wars, but nah. We're gonna roll a solo. Scam. I feel really bad about the lag. Don't worry, once we hop into a match, they'll go away. What kind of logic is that? Going to a place that's supposed to be even laggier makes me lag less. Oh my gosh. The lag has not went away. Looks like no one has gone to mid. Too great for me. Oh gosh, my bow is such an awkward spot. My blocks aren't in. Gosh, I can't speak today. Where's the last person? He was just in a fight. Oh, he's right here. He's a hacker. He's bunny hopping and sucks. Where's a hacker on our first game? Can't just be hop like that. And I missed. Okay, we're at mid. This is my plan. My plan is to always rush mid. I mean, best loot. If you have good loot, you also gotta be good. It's a random map. I've never diagonally ninja bridged. I was like, hey, I'm gonna try it. What is towers? Oh, not this map. Let's do the challenge. Don't really know how I made that jump. If only I could pop the GP. We got a breezy bridge. The paper challenge. Wait, no, I lagged. I'm like tired, but you know, I gotta film. Gotta do it for the Vine. Took me like an hour to set this up. I can make that. Ease. I missed an easier jump. I want to do the paper challenge. I've never done this challenge. I've done the no block challenge and won 2 times. So much lag. Projectile prot. Okay. I forgot, I'm doing the paper challenge. Just literally teleported. We will play until we get a win. Do you know how long it takes to learn how to ninja bridge? For me it didn't take long. Took a few weeks, like 1 or 2 maybe. To like, I didn't like really practice it, probably why it took so long. Boom, bam, bop. My speed bridging is faster. I know there's... Okay, he left me alone. Oh. Okay. Probably gonna be the last one. No, I literally should. Okay, how do I stop the recording? Stop the recording. Okay, so this is my Minecraft Skywars. See you next time. Maybe Rocket League, I don't know. So peace out.